Cougar offers a range of skid steers, utility track, and compact track loaders. All models are designed to handle tough applications. The vertical lift skid steers and compact track loaders offer high hinge pin heights, the good service accessibility in the industry, and provide comfortable cabs with simple operation. The versatile stand-on utility track loader with its narrow design is suitable for confined spaces, such as landscape work and homeowner projects. More than a dozen models to choose from, you'll find the right machine for any job.